Now I am going to show you some examples of how the content is going to shape your design. Now here I have a design from a very great design agency called Creativa, and this is their Dribbble page. You can see Creativa. Anyhow, you can see this is a theme of a website. Now you can see the images of the products over here, like this one or this one, this one or this one. They are very clean and minimalistic and modern layout of sofas and all those things. Okay, most of the images are on white, so you can see how the designer is basically using that and using very calm and very cool colors, very modern pale colors or pastel colors on the background, and most of the side is white. Also you can see that the text or text copy is very thin, and you can see that here you can see just the product name by the designer and the price. That is all. And similarly over here you can see this is again the same thing: price, designer and the product name. So if you are designing something like that, you can adopt the minimalistic theme or minimal theme, where you can just keep things like this, use a lot of white space. So this is one example. Okay, so moving to the new example, the next one. Okay, so here we have another website, and it is designed by Rafael Tumal, and I really am following this designer. I really love his style. Okay, so this website is very content heavy. You can see it is a blogger or a blog based website, so the design is going to be totally different. You can see over here we have two columns. Basically the left one is for bigger and which is for text, and the right one is very thin, which is for more content. So this is how this whole website is laid out, and you can see these two websites have totally different layouts, different layouts and different copy. Okay, so the copy is totally different. You can see one big image, then a lot of text. But the previous website, it has many images, like 3 or 4 in some portions or areas or sections, and very less text. So let's see one more example. Okay, so here is a website of a digital agency called Crafted, and I got it from awards. They have won many awards. Now you can see this is their portfolio website. So they have limited their you can say copy text to very small, like 2 or 3 lines max for each section. Now if you look on the other sections, you can see they have a lot of images to show. So they are using very big images in 3 columns. So this is their you can say idea. Then there are 2 columns over here to show the featured work and our capabilities, some recognitions, featured clients. So now you can see what is the idea of this content and your design. So you can see here we don't have too much content, or it is not a very content heavy website, but it is just to showcase their work. So the layout or design is totally different rather than content heavy or copy heavy website. So these are the things that are going to matter. You are going to build the whole layout of your design based on the content you have. So if you have very less content, for example very less copy, which is I think is the way to go, that you try to reduce your copy, you have a lot of possibilities. You can use the whole canvas for that small copy and make it, you can see, brilliant. Like you can see over here, the whole focus is on this area. So this is how you the content is going to shape your design. I hope you have enjoyed these examples. Let's move on to the next lesson.